Hello, this is Dr. Mears. Today we are going to be learning about the skill of writing an equation of a line given 2 points. So what I would like you to do on your paper is I would like you to label x1, y1, x2, y2. That's what we're going to need. We are also going to need our slope formula. So let's write our slope formula down. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we're going to have to label some points. We're going to have to put it in the slope formula. Here we go. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line through the given points. And this is the same thing that we've been doing, y equals mx plus b. So we're going to need two things. We're going to need our slope and we're going to need our y-intercept. So let's go. Number 1, through point 2, -3, and 4, 3. So I would like you to label the first point that you see as x1, y1, and the second point that you see as x2, y2. I just like to first one, second one, label them. Now we need two things here. We need slope and we need y-intercept. So let's use our slope formula to find slope. So m equals, let's substitute our numbers in, y2, 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 which is the number 3. I automatically put my minus down, y1, 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 which is -3. Please notice I put my negative down, my minus down, and then I put my -3 down. Okay, x2, 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 which is 4, minus, automatically put my minus down, x1, x1, which is the number 2. Let's simplify my slope. 3, this really is now plus 3, so that's 6 divided by 4 minus 2, which is 2. So my slope is going to be 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So I have my m. I'm looking good. I now need my y-intercept, which is my b. So you can pick any point here to use. You can pick the first point or the second point. I like picking the point that's both positive, the least amount of negatives, least amount of mistakes, hopefully, that you make. So I'm going to pick 4, 3. Again, either one works. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to write down y equals m. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it right next to it. Okay, I'm going to do it right here. Y equals mx plus b. I have more room. Okay. My y was my 3, so I'm going to put my 3 in. My m, was also 3. Multiplied by my x, which is 4. Getting it right here, that's my x, plus b. So this is exactly the same steps that we were using when we were given the slope and given 1 point. Okay, so we solve for b. Multiply first. 3 equals 3 times 4, which is 12 plus b. I need to bring my 12 over to the other side. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract both sides by 12. 3 minus 12 gives us -9, which is b. So I have my m, I have my b, I'm ready to write my equation. So my equation, y equals mx plus b, I take out my m and I substitute 3 in. I take out my b and I substitute 9 in. So my equation here is y equals 3x minus 9. Let's do it again. Okay, here's the point. Through the point, 2, 3, that's my first x, y. Here's a second point, 4, -4, my second x, my second y. My slope, m, equals y2, 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 -4, minus y1, 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 3, divided by x2, x2, which is 4, minus x1, x1, which is 2. So m equals -4 minus 3 is going to be -7. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I now have a fraction slope, which is absolutely fine. I can't reduce it, so it's just going to be slope of -7 over 2. Let's find our b. So y equals mx plus b. I may use either point. This time I'm going to pick the first one because they're both positive. My y value, y is 3. My m value is -7 over 2. Multiplied by my x is 2 plus b. Again, when we're doing point and a slope and substituting this in, these are going to cancel out, or you may do this on the calculator. Please remember, if you do it on the calculator, to put parentheses around your fraction. 3 equals -7. This becomes -7 plus b. I add 7 to both sides to bring it over to the other side. B equals 10. I have my m. I have my b. I may write my equation now. So y equals mx plus b. Y equals my m, -7/2, -7/2, times x. Remember to put a big old X there, plus b, 10, positive 10, so plus 10. Here is my equation. I can move on to the next one. Okay, the next one, through the point, first point, x1, y1, 0, -4. Through the second point, -2, -2. So this is x2, y2. Let's substitute it into slope. Y2, which is -2, minus y1, which is -4. Putting that minus in really helps, especially if you have to put that negative number in for that second one here. x2, -2, minus x1 is 0. So m equals -2. This is really plus, so -2 plus 4, which is 2. -2 minus 0, which is -2. I may reduce that. M equals -1. Okay, let's pick a point. I'm going to pick the point 0, -4. Let's work with 0. Okay, so remember, you can pick either one. I'm going to use the first one. If you want to pick the second one, what would be fun right now is if you want to pick that one and see if you get the same answer as I do, because you should. So you can even try the second one on your own and see. All right, let's write y equals mx plus b. In place of y, I'm going to put -4. So -4 equals, in place of m, I'm going to put my -1. Times my x is 0, which was right here, plus b. -1 times 0 is 0, so -4 equals 0 plus b. So -4 is my b value. I have my m, I have my b. I can now write my equation. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals, my m is -1, x minus 4. My b was negative, so it becomes -4. Remember, you can write it like this, or you may write it as y equals -x minus 4. This is how you're going to see it mainly on the answer keys. However, I will accept this one. Either one works. This has been the skill of writing an equation of a line through 2 points. Now, please practice.